It's 2:30 a.m. 2011, February 13th. You can see there's a big machine there. The machine was placed there for about 2 weeks, and it keeps making noise 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now I'm going to open the window. You can hear the noise.